Referring the Jefferson Parish school system to the Federal Department of Justice, all for the way they've handled virtual violations. Students facing weapons charges for removing BB guns in their bedrooms at home pleaded their case to the school board today. WDSU's Jennifer Crockett has followed Kamari Harrison and Tommy Brown's cases since the beginning. She is live in Harvey with the very latest. Jennifer.
The Jefferson Parish school system has decided that the weapons violations against Kamari Harrison and Tommy Brown will stand. That's after they reviewed secretly recorded conversations with the principal at Tommy Brown's school in Grand Isle. And they also heard more than 7 hours of testimony in Kamari Harrison's case. Most of the testimony today was about whether or not the school followed appropriate discipline procedures. You'll hear reaction to that in a moment. But first, let's hear from one school board member on whether virtual students should face weapons charges if a BB gun is seen in their home during an online class.
Has anyone put themselves in the teacher's shoes? Because I know what a BB gun looks like, and you know what it resembles? A real gun. Okay, it's a BB gun. Well, we're supposed to just let it go because it was a BB gun?
Yeah.
Not in this climate.
The school board people that we chose to represent our children, you know, they're not looking out for the best interests of our children. They're not taking accountability.
This was nothing but an attempt to rubber stamp their own decision making, and it was a total waste of time.
That was the state solicitor general there, and after the meeting, she was blocked from testifying at the meeting, but after the meeting, she called it a, quote, kangaroo court. One school board member, though, said the State Department of Justice being involved was, quote, shameful.